Great stay with family. The staff was very good and hotel is excellent. Good hotel in Kandy. It was good experience in Grand Kandyan Hotel. Value for money. Exceptional. Very nice place and location is beautiful. Staff is courteous. Thank you. Thank you to the staff of the hotel who made us feel so welcome. Thank you to Jeff and Mohan for their hospitality and for organizing a great breakfast and dinner. We will come again. Stunning hotel. I stayed here for 6 nights. The rooms, the pool and all facilities are first class. Breakfast and evening meals are enjoyable with a huge selection to choose from. The rooms are huge and the hotel has a lovely decadent feel and vibe. All of the staff and the team are really great at looking after the guests. Nothing is too much effort. Their advice is well founded. The day trips that they organized were great and value for money and the guides understanding and knowledgeable. Many thanks to Nishanto, Priyankha and Rathna Yaka for the trip to the Rosen Villa. This hotel is located well within Kandy for sightseeing and I will use the hotel next time I return. Why 5 stars only? Let me start with the F&B. From Ayamasanga, Tone, Ruben and Shalinda, a very big thank you for your hospitality. A very special mention goes out to Mohan for his professionalism and competency. Front staff Imesha, Siran and Deshala, just to mention a few, were just fantastic. My only regret is that I can only give 5 stars. Very strongly recommended. Supper foods are supper. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Beautiful property in a stunning location. All of the staff were most friendly, helpful, and very professional. They made my stay so pleasurable. Great hotel. Everything is perfect in this hotel. Rooms were very good with nice balcony. Restaurants, swimming pool and the gym. Staff is kind and helpful. Exceptional. Excellent. Exceptional. Excellent. Luxury 5-star old world style with incredible amenities. Helpful, polite, and generous staff. Exceptional. Extraordinary staff, always there to help you with everything. Great value for money. The only downside is that there was live music at the hotel lobby until 11 p.m., so if you are a light sleeper this might be a problem. I thought for me it wasn't. All in all, had a great stay.